if you're watching, let me know if you can hear me okay. Should be coming out both ear holes. All right, so just to recap, I created a scene, and let me know if you can't see any of this. I created a scene and I just put in this building because I'm gonna reuse it. So I made it a scene, I put a static body in it and a collision shape. I just manually made this. You were probably wondering what I was talking about, but I was just trying to size the collision shape around it manually. And I'll do it again in a second. And then I imported what did I do? I just created this little placeholder for it for this building and then just dropped it in. So I'm gonna just run it really quick on this project. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there it is. And great. And I can't run into it because there's a collision shape on it. I just like to do that just to have some realism to it. I'm clipping into it a little bit, but that's okay. I'm basically winging this today, by the way. I'm not really sure where this is going to go, but I'm going to just build out some stuff. I need to take off that mesh. Let me see, make sure the other guy works. Yeah, okay. Pause that, and let me see. Cool, okay. So that is working. All right, let's kill that. All right, what was I doing? Okay, let's see. All right, so I got that guy in. Let me turn off this mesh. That's just a navigation region. For the next video, I was playing around with navigation regions, and that's a way to debug it, is to show that. So that's why it's there. And let me just turn it off. What did I do to turn that off? Where was that? I think I can just kill the visibility. Yeah, okay. I wonder if that shows up. How's that on there? Yeah, that's through this. It shouldn't show up. Let me see. All right, cool. Oh, and the guys have their little debug targets. So each one of these little mobs are walking towards an endpoint, and then as soon as they get to their endpoint, they just get a new one. So watch, this guy will just go to the end here, and yep, and then he just gets a random vector to somewhere else. Cool. Okay, so that's working. And let's grab some more buildings. Where is Blender? All right, so we've got that building. What else have we got in here? Maybe I should get a mountain. That looks kind of neat. So I'll add that. Wait, I selected two of them. Okay. So let's take this guy and export him out. And we'll make sure selected object is selected. What did I call it? Small building. I don't need to see all that. Small building stall 04. All right, what else can we export? Fence market snow? Ooh, what's that mean? Turn that guy. Nope, this Let's try this. I don't know what this is going to do, but let's try this. Put some ground cover there. Small building market snow. Okay. And let's see what else we got. Got some walls, window drapes, some village top. Okay. Let's get some more ground. Ooh, a well. I like that. Okay. Let's do this. Come on. What's the hotkey to export? Small building village. Village snow sheet. One. Okay. Hopefully I had it selected. Let's look at environment a little bit, and then we'll... Oh, I have the whole thing off. Oh god, they're all on. All right, so... Oh, nice. Turn these off. Wow, there's a shit ton of assets in here. Holy cow. I would never be able to go through all this. Tree. All right, let's see what we got. Stream. Ooh, what's that look like? Whoa. Yeah, let's do this big guy right here. Export. And let's see, building, what is it called? Small ENV stream straight. Small ENV stream, STREI straight, and it didn't, hotkeys don't work, and saving, O2. Make sure I have, okay, good. And then what else? What else do we put in there? Got some rocks, stalagmites. Okay. Some roads in here. I'll get to the roads in a minute. Hill snow. Oh, that's cool. Let's do that. Hill. Okay, so let's do hill. Let's do small hill, and then we'll do the hill snow. Oh, it's not showing because that's hidden. Yeah, okay. We'll do that. Small AMV. So let's do small hill. Export. And then we'll do small hill 01, and then we'll do a snow hill. How would I do the collisions for that? What would the collisions look like? Small hill snow 2. All right, let's go back into not Discord, Godot. All right. Cool, okay. Actually, let me check really quick. All right, let's see, where did I leave off? I was gonna do a scene for, let me see if I can pull it up. All right, so here's my assets right now. And let's see, what should I do first? I'd like to do the hill. So let's create, so let me do another thing over here, call it env for environment, I guess. Models, yeah, okay, that makes sense. And then we'll do folder for maybe terrain. Yeah, okay. And then let's see, drag over this little hill guy. Oh, it didn't have the, oh, it doesn't have the things on it, the textures. Oh no, some of these things don't work and I'm not really sure why. Getting an error. Oh, come on. That's not good. Well, I don't know what that is, so I don't know why this isn't working. Hopefully something else works, because that would really kind of put a damper on this. Yeah, none of these things are giving me the, oh, that's weird. Why isn't this? I think, oh man, I bet you there's a problem with the Blender export. Oops. Why aren't you, did I not? Hold on. Let's see. The other one worked. Why isn't the environments working? What else is there? Props. Okay, so buildings are working, but environments aren't, it looks like. Let me make sure. Yeah. Huh, that's weird. I have no idea why that's not working. I don't think it can find the textures. What is this one? What if I just manually drag the textures over? I don't know which one to put over there though. That was a shot in the dark. Okay. Poly Adventure Texture 01. Yeah, I don't know why these models aren't importing from the environment. I had to run something to get it to work, and maybe that output doesn't work correctly. Let me think. Let me see if I'm exporting them. I mean, I did export them right correctly. Where did it go? Yeah, okay. So if Selected, yep. Don't think I need anything else in here. Yeah, right. Let me see. These environments, I had to run a script. So all these Blender, this is a polygon, low poly thing from Cinti, and they're not really for Godot. You have to run like a script. Someone created a really cool script to get all these to work really nicely with Godot, and everything in the building section worked fine. I haven't tested the characters, but whatever. But the environments aren't playing nice for some reason, and I don't think I had to do anything special for that. It was like a month ago when I did all this. Export, yeah, I mean it's exporting all the texture stuff, it looks like. I'm not a Blender person. This is like, I want somebody else to model all this stuff for me. So when I find something that works, I get really excited. Let me see if there's another way to do this. Yeah, I don't think any of that's going to do anything. Okay, which one am I saving? The hill snow. Here's a shot in the dark that this is going to work. Let's export. No. What if I need to put this in there? What if I do it this way? I'm just guessing right now. I have no idea. Damn it. Yeah. No loader found for resources. Okay, so something's wrong with that. Let's Google it. I don't know. I don't want to give up just yet. Okay. There's no way that's gonna work. Yeah, okay, it wants me to... No, not here. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. What else can I do? Yeah, I think there's problems with this export. I think that's what's going on. I'm gonna have to like come back to that because I'm not really sure if I want to debug this right now. Where did I drag that over? All right, well maybe, hopefully some of the other buildings work. What else have I got over here? Oh, I didn't try the stream. Okay, so that grabbed its texture. Okay. All right, well, one of them worked. Buildings, let's do create new folder, env. Let's put our scenes in this environment. I'm not going to create a subfolder just yet, but let's go ahead and create another scene. Stream something, O2. Okay. Cool. And we'll do, drag you up there. Oh, I thought it was a lot bigger than it really was. It's probably not that big. Okay, and let's do that. Okay, and let's try to, I don't like this ground texture. It doesn't really, it's not gonna match the low poly, but I don't have any good ground textures. Yeah, they are, it was a free asset because they had a like 50% off, or no, it was $30 off, and these were all $30 assets. This was the adventure pack like 4 weeks ago. I don't think this is generally free. I think this is a $30 asset. Buildings, town. What do we call this? Water. Nope, not that. There. Yeah, see, it's gonna look weird on this. If I put this here and there's water there, if I like add a blue texture there, and this is gonna sink into that, it's gonna look really weird. Oh, that's kind of a neat effect. That's not what that is though. Yeah, this is gonna look a little weird because of this ground texture, but I'm just gonna leave it back here for now, and then we'll deal with that some other time. I'm not even gonna set up the collision on that just yet. And let's see, can we add a couple more of these? Yeah, I knew that was wrong, but I still did it. There. Which way is he facing? Yeah, we can do that. And I think there was one more. And let me just make sure that the collisions are working. I don't need to open 2 every time right now. That's gonna look kind of neat. I don't even have any lighting done, and this already looks really neat. All right, let's see. And also this character model is way too complex for this low poly, and so are these guys, these zombie dudes. It's way too complex, but I haven't played around with their, yeah, okay, so the collision's working there and there, and it should be working here. Yeah, all right, cool. And let's see. Yeah, maybe, you know, I haven't done Fiverr in a while. Maybe I should. I mean, this, yeah, I don't know. My biggest thing is I just want working models and animations. Like I don't like to spend too much time on it. But yeah, I mean, I would definitely pay for that, because it's like I just want to program and put it all together. I don't want to do the modeling. So yeah, I'll definitely have to check that out some more, because doing the modeling and stuff, it's its own beast, right? Like, I mean, like this Blender program is like infinitely complex, and like I just don't really want to learn. I don't want to spend, it's like too much in my head right now as it is. So I would gladly pay someone to like put this stuff together. And this whole Cinti thing to Godot, it works really nicely. And there was a script that I had to run that nicely imported all this stuff. But it looks like there might be some bugs with it. I think it's like only the person that wrote the script is, I don't think they're actively fixing it right now, which is fine. But you know, maybe I'll have to poke around and see. It's just all done in Python, I think. It's not that big of a deal. Okay. I'm just printing out the mob. Oh, this is for the next video. I'm doing a video on navigation region and agent, and that's what this, if you didn't hear me say it earlier, that's what this green thing is. Yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, I was just so you're gonna know about this. So I was having a problem importing one of so I'm using the Cinti assets from the adventure pack, and maybe you'll have a suggestion for me. I was trying to import like the hill, and here I'll just show you. I'll just drag it over here to terrain, and oh wait. Yeah, right there. And it's not actually importing correctly. And what's the error? Yeah, I don't know. Do you know anything about this? I don't know. It's not working. I ran that script that converts it from whatever the original Cinti download is to that like really nice import script, and it works on the buildings. As you can see, I got a couple buildings, but like for some of these things it's just not working in the environment. I've had I think 2 so far that didn't work. But so if you have any ideas why this isn't working, let me know. The little stream guy worked, but the this hill thing isn't working, and I don't really want to debug it right now. Anyways, let me know. I'm just playing around, trying to build out a little town for these videos that I'm doing. Okay, so stream, got a village in there. Let's see what else we've got. You haven't seen that? Yeah, I'll pop in your channel later and document it. I'll just screenshot it now, that way I don't have to go dig it up later. But yeah, I can always dig around in his script too. And it's like in the environment thing, I haven't really had any problems with buildings, even though I haven't imported too many buildings. But yeah, the couple hills and the hill snow didn't work. The stream worked. But yeah, that's kind of all the further I got with it. So I'm creating a scene for every one of these assets. And then I'm just importing the scene in, and that's the right way to do it, right? I shouldn't just be dragging these raw up in here. Like these guys aren't a scene. Like these nodes right here, these aren't scenes. I just dragged them in there, but I felt like the right way to do it is to actually create a scene, and these are scenes. So let me know if that sounds right to you guys. I think I read somewhere, or we were talking about that the other day, that it's the best way to do it. anyways, I just want to get some of these models in here. Snow stall. Okay, I'll do that one. Okay, scenes, terrain, waterworks, buildings. Let's create another folder. What was it called? Stall something. Stall 04. I guess I should do small, the prefix, because maybe there's large. And stick him in there. Hopefully this one works, so we'll try this. I haven't tried it yet. I should have probably tried it first. Yeah, it's like when it breaks, it's not dragging in the texture. Like it's not aware of the texture. So if I hit re-import and then if I drag, if I create a scene out of there, let's see, buildings. It's on the screen. This small env hill 01. I've got it highlighted right here. I'll just copy paste it down here. And okay, so I'm gonna create another scene called something. What do I want to call that? This is like very manual labor. Small stall something. What was it? 04. Which pack? Yeah, it's the adventure pack. And you know what? There were updates. I think I received an email that they actually updated that. I wonder if that could be fixed, and that kind of if those types of patches will actually fix these issues. Like maybe there's something internal that's broken or some, I don't know. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if that breaks. And you don't got to do it now, whenever, but okay, so let me see. Let me drag this guy up in here. Why? What? Oh, I was trying to drag itself into itself, not paying attention. Sorry. Getting distracted. Ooh. Okay, so that worked. Got a sword in there, got a little treasure chest. And let's see. Boop. And then let's delete that. And this one looks kind of easy. I'll go ahead and do the collision shape stuff. Let's add a collision. What is it? Static body. And collision. And we'll just add a box. And out there. And let's see. Go back. And we'll make it a little wider, whatever. And whoop. Nope. And that way he can jump on top of it. Yeah, it's gonna be flat, and the canopy is slanted. Whatever, I don't care. Wait, why is that not? Okay. That was weird. I'll split the difference. All right, cool. All right, so we got a stall. Let's add our stall scene somewhere. Where do I want to put that? Well, I got water scene. I got a building scene. I guess this is a building. Scene, stall, boom. Oh, did I nest those? Oh, those shouldn't be nested. Oh, that's funny. Why is that? All right, whatever. Oh, I did that intentionally. That's not the scene. Okay, I'm confusing myself. I don't need to nest this. Okay, so we've got a little scene. All right, whatever. Oh, is it still running? I still had a game running. Quit. Start. Boom. can't jump that high. Oh. What if I make him jump higher? Let's see, this is not him. Scripts. Player. Alright, where did I do that? Jump. Jump. Jump velocity. Alright. Let's pump this up to something else. Let's do 10 and see how crazy that is. Sorry, I'm having fun with this. My animation doesn't, I don't have it set up to do a fall, so it just kind of like pops up in the air. Stop. All right, look at that. And that's way too much. Let's do 6. Oh, come on. Get off me, zombie. Nope. Let's see, 7. Yay, okay. I need to figure out how to do the skybox stuff too. Haven't really got that far with it. Can I jump on this? No. All right, and then what else can we do? Don't need to see that anymore. Let's just, like, you know, we should like take advantage that we have these. Let's add another one. Not in there though. Can I like make it bigger in real time? What is that gonna do? If I double it, it's gonna look dumb. Okay, never mind. Guess I'm just gonna build out a village. Should probably put some roads in here. Let's stick you down here. Huh. So, okay, so you were able to just grab that natively. Okay. So you mean you just opened the FBX file? Yeah, how did you get that? What do you mean no GLB? They provide GLB files for that? I didn't see that in the package. They do. Okay. What? Where? Yeah, dude, I mean, I'm here. I'll show you. This is my download. This is the adventure pack source. And I do not, it's just, unless it's like buried in here somewhere, I mean, it's not in here. That's my downloads. I mean, did I grab, that's weird. I don't know why I'm not seeing that. That would be amazing. Cool, yeah. I mean, let me know, because that's yeah, I have no idea why that wouldn't be showing up. Scroll down slightly. All right, let me pull it back up. Yeah, there's a lot of lag, whatever. Close FBX. I mean, this is all I have. Here, I'll wait. Oh. So you're just using the object files? Hello. I just want to know if you're using just the object files. I mean, I can just try it, but I just I didn't know that would work. I'm yeah, we're okay, so you are just using the object files. Okay. Cool. Thanks. That's yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I'm trying to import I've got yeah. Okay. So, you know, I don't know. I don't know what like when you're going to use one over the other. Like this isn't my like forte, right? But it's, you know, it seems like there are issues with some of the like I'm using a Cinti asset pack, adventure pack, and there, let me see if I can. I don't really have it. It's like, let me see. It's like this. It's this pack, and we've got a. Whoop, I bumped the mic. We've got a bunch of assets here, and we're exporting them as GLBs, and some of them work, and some of them aren't working. But yeah, I'll hop in your Discord later on, and see if these guys have an idea why some of these aren't working. Yeah, that's what I'm usually using GLB too, and it's been working for some of this stuff. Whoops, I still got this running. But one of the items is not working, so I just wanted to see why, and maybe I'll post an update if, you know, if it becomes a problem. Like this hill snows thing isn't working, but let me try to do what you were saying with the object file, Scott. What was it? Hill snow. Let me find it. Hill. All right, here, so everybody can see what I'm doing. Here's a hill snow. Is that the same one? Yeah. Okay. So if we drag that into my assets area over here under terrain, I don't know, where'd it go? Okay. I love how Godot just kind of randomly picks where it wants to put whatever you drag over. I haven't been able to master that. And if I build a new scene, call it something, hill snow number what? 2. And if we pull that up there, is that gonna work? Oh, it's not. What am I doing wrong? Why isn't it coming in? So it wants to work here. Oh man, is it that big? Am I like in it? No. That was weird. I mean, you saw me drag it over to the thing and it didn't work the first time. It's so big, it's not letting me. To further zoom, change the camera settings. Yeah, right. Okay. I've never used an object file before, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen with this. Yeah. Oh man. What are we doing, like half size? I still can't see it. Oh my god. I mean, it's massive. I don't know. Let me just play around with this. Maybe it'll. Where is the scene that I grabbed? Is that gonna even work? Oh my god, it's way over there. What happened? I don't have a place to put it. Town, mob regions. I don't. Man, that is buggy. Buildings. Yeah, it's up there. I thought I had an ENV folder already. I guess I don't. Let's do this. Node 3D, ENV, and then we'll drag that. We'll drag the scene up there. See what happens. Yeah, he's way over there. I don't know why it's over there. What happened? Is this not? Oh, because it's. That's why. You got to center it, right? Okay. So, did it fix it? Yeah. Okay. Does that look right to you? Is that like... Okay, there's my snowy hill. No, I don't think I changed anything. Okay, so there's my hill. It's pretty big. Object as a scene in import doc. No, I didn't do that. I don't even know where the import doc is. Over here. Select a resource. You guys are teaching me how to use this. File in the file system or the inspector, just import settings. So would that be like this? Yeah. Yeah, I had it. Yeah, I had, yeah, it looks like it's fine. It just was like way off the screen and not centered. But I got it centered. So I can probably close these. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So, I mean, I guess that's one way to do it. Let me see if I can grab another one. Snow sheet. What you got? Yeah. I've got it all. I got everything on the left side. I don't know. I like how that looks. Let's see. And I'm just trying to get some assets in here. Let's try to... I don't really think I want to do that one. I got the stall. I got market snow. Actually, what is market snow? Let's see if that does anything. That looked like it worked. Oh, is this in the wrong folder? No, there it is. Okay. Ground cover. Scene. Oh, what is it called? Wow, that was laggy. Market snow. Create a new scene. Small building market snow. We'll do that, and then we'll drag this guy into there. How big is this? It's not very big. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. Do you guys know what the make local thing actually is doing? To me, it looks like it just extracts out whatever the mesh is and puts it into a nice little, like it like renders whatever is the underlying thing. I just feel weird kind of doing it all the time, but I guess that's kind of the correct workflow. Let me see, small building market snow scene. Where's that gonna go? Oh, okay. So we got some snow. Build off here. I'll just stick some snow over here in the corner. Man, I would love to like have somebody build all this out for me. All right, I should get some more buildings in here. Blender. I mean, you said the object way work. I mean, yeah, I'm the same way. I kind of just want to have that part working, and then I can just go in and arrange it myself, build it myself, or you know, do the mechanics, do the coding, do the programming, and like, you know, hey, you're here. Do you know of any good resources for low poly textures? Because this is not a low poly texture. This is like high quality. This ground texture here, like I'd like some like, you know, low poly stuff. That would be a lot nicer to have, I think, for this environment. So this environment folder is kind of a bust for now, but well, let's just try doing with objects. Let's just do that. What else we got in here? Kind of taking a stab in the dark with what these mean though. Fence, hut, snow. Where are you? All right, we can do that. What is it called? Small BLD hut. I just saw it right there. Snow. Terrain, ground cover. I don't know if that. Yeah, I haven't looked into the low poly stuff yet. Yeah, I just want like low poly, maybe dirt, grass, maybe some, you know, rock terrain. I'm just building out like a little map right now, some buildings and some textures. Nothing crazy. But I want to see if this is going to work as expected, because I don't know if that mountain over there is correct. It kind of looks a little suspect. Let me just drag this in and see. Oh god, it's massive. Okay, don't do that. So yeah, let's create a scene for that under here. Small BLD hut 1, and let's see, can I just do that? No, it doesn't like it. All right, let me make this smaller. Center yourself, and yeah, I could totally do that. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. So when importing with the .obj, the object, it's making it like very massive. Like when it comes in, it's like not it's not like scaled for this type of environment or whatever, this Godot. Yeah, like it's scaled way bigger than I would expect. But let's see. Let's add a building. let's put it, where did I put it? Small building hut. Boop. Yeah, see, it came out way too big. So let me get under there and make this a little smaller. It almost looks too small. Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'll learn that. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me experiment with that instead of messing with this, because maybe that's the way to do it. So if I scale this down, whoop, I want to experiment with that. So let me undo this, and let's do 0.03. What's it? 0.03, I think. And then you said re-import. So wait, that's not what I expected. Oh, okay. So let's just try it again. Whoops, 0.03. Yeah, they hit it down there. Okay, so then if I do this, that looks better. That looks better. Let me try to center it and then add it to the scene and see how big it is. I see what you're saying. Like, you're gonna have to play around with this. Yeah, so that's still pretty big. But you're right, that did work. That I liked that. Okay, so I liked how that was gonna work out. So if I go over to here, what was it, like 0.01? Jeez. Yeah, good advice. Okay, where is this guy at? Yeah, so you don't even know, right? So you just hit re-import and then drag it over. I don't like how it doesn't let me just drag it in here. What did I mess up? Did I drag the wrong one? I dragged the wrong one. Yeah, man. I think I might have gotten it with this. Come on, where is it? Where is it? There we go. Boop. And then let's go ahead and try to add that scene. Scene. What did I do? What was it? Hut? No. My God. Yeah, it was the hut. Okay, cool. Okay, so 0.01 is the magic number. It looks like. All right, cool. Okay, so do these textures look right? Is this the snow hut? Was this, what was it? It was hut building snow. So I guess this looks okay to me. I don't know. I mean, is this really what it's supposed to look like? It's supposed to be just covered in complete white snow. I don't know. Seems a little odd to me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say. It might be right. It might not be. I don't know. No, why did I do that? I want to try. I mean, it kind of looks right. I mean, you can see some textures in there. Yeah, right. Yeah, I like the Blender workflow because it seems to kind of just put everything nicely together. So I'll probably go back to that, but it's a lot of work. I mean, I don't know. I mean, with this, I'd almost rather just do this than go in the Blender and then have to export it and then, I don't know. I mean, is there really a benefit? Do you know of a benefit using using one over the other? I mean, does it, you know, are we going to get more benefits out of just go into Blender and exporting the GLBs, or should we just use these object files? Like, I know Godot is kind of on their documentation. They kind of want you to use GLBs because I guess they're really open, but yeah. That's true. All right, well, I want to get a text. Let's get a building with not snow covered all over it. Maybe just I gotta look at it in Blender first though. Let's see. I got stall building village. Is there large? There's no large building villages. It's just all small, which is cool, which is fine. Building village 5. What is that? Okay, that might have some cool texture. I like that. That's gives it some dimensions if I use that one. Okay, let's try that. Actually, let me just poke around and see. Okay, that's okay, I guess. I kind of wanted a bigger object. Yeah, I think I had that guy already. What's this one look like? Okay, very similar. Let's see, before, that's the same. Where was I? Yeah, 6. All right, I like this one. So let me see. What was it called? I already forgot. Small building village 6. Small building village 6. Okay, so if we come over here, and I'm actually putting these in the wrong spot. Oh, darn. This should be under buildings. I don't hope that doesn't break. No, it didn't. Cool. Cool. Okay, and let's do this one. And what we'll do is we'll come down. Let's make another scene. Small BLD 06. I'm gonna guess that this is still really massive, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do this. So this doesn't look like it has textures on it, right? That doesn't look correct to me. Let's try to add it, see what happens. Where did it go? Buildings. Well, okay, I guess it, no, not really. I guess it's showing orange maybe because I have an orange light. Your model has, yeah, they should. Yeah, they should have textures. Yeah, all of them should look pretty decent. I mean, this one did. Look, this one's got green and this one's got, I don't know, tan, brown, khaki, whatever. These ones over here, this one looks fine to me. Just this one doesn't look like it worked. What is happening? Why am I in that? Why can I not even select this building? 6. Yeah, I mean, what is it? Why is it not showing up like with textures on it? No, don't do that. No, I don't want that either. Oh, I had it right. No, I didn't. Oh, I didn't put it right. Okay. Yeah, this doesn't look like it's got good textures on it. It looks a little weird. Maybe, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what this is. I don't know what to say. It doesn't really look right. I mean, if you look at these two buildings, this one, if you look at these three buildings, 1, 2, 3, and then you look at that, it doesn't, that like orange that's on there is just because I have a little orange light in the sky. And same with this. This is suspect too. These textures aren't showing up in the object. So, you know, why aren't these textures showing up in my, when I import those object files? And that leaves me to believe that this big ass mountain in the back doesn't have its textures either. Yeah, so I think we have a problem with using that that method, the object. So why aren't these object files importing correctly? I've never used these object files before, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. So if I look at, where did it go? If I look at the one that I just did, let's see, the small building village object is mesh. Yeah, I mean it seems fine, although I don't know anything about it. Let me know if you guys know anything about why these materials aren't working, because the materials are there. I mean, I wonder if I need to drag those materials, because there's, you know, where did it go? Yeah, these object files have materials. Yeah, I don't know how to use the object files. Yeah, unfortunately. Let me see if I can do some research. Yeah, that's what we normally been doing, and we ran into an issue where some of the models weren't actually importing correctly. So we switched away from it really quick to try out this object version, importing the object version, and that's not really working either. I wonder if yeah, look, this is what it should look like, and it looks like it's looking for this. So how do I get that synced with in our current you know, how do I export? This one's probably just gonna work, so I'm just gonna try it. Let's see, what's it called? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Small BLD 06. Let's just try it. I don't know. This, I don't know why it's not working. Let's see, where did that scene go? Yeah, that is not working. I'm sorry, that I'll have to play around with that. And let's see, buildings. Yeah, so it's not importing with its textures. And I don't know why it isn't, because there's textures. That's, yeah, I didn't really want to debug this on the stream. I just kind of wanted to get to work, but like these things just aren't working. You know, I have the texture here. You know, this is completely textured. It's just not actually coming out with it correctly. I don't know why. So, okay, you're so what I was normally doing though is I would do it this way, right? I would export out of Godot, right? Sorry, out of Blender, and then I would just take that GLB. So how are you adding it? Is there like a maybe I haven't looked into this. I'm really just like winging it. Is there like how do you apply them in? How do you look? So I've got that. Where did it go? So I've got this building here. No, where is it? Wait, did it work? That's a scene name. I keep doing that. Where did I just put that stupid scene? Or that model? Yeah, but okay. So with like these buildings, did I delete it? Where did I put it? I think I deleted it. Okay, so look, if I grab this building, so this is an export of this, right? So here's what I had, and here's the export. If I drag this over here, it's not going to work. And there's this error down here. So do you use these textures over here? Are you using the textures that they provide you, like this PNG file? That doesn't sound right. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Well, I don't actually know which one it thinks is gonna work. Let me see. I can kind of. Is there like a way to tell which one it's linked to? Okay, so I know it's not the first one because it doesn't look like this. Where's the name? I think it's this one. This looks identical. So it is the first one. So you're saying that you can just drag that on top of it? Yeah, it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Why aren't this? Yeah. You're saying to do this, like just drag it over? Yeah, I mean it's importing I'm getting this, but it's not applying it to this resource. Now, are you saying you drag it over to the object file, or do you drag it over to the GLB? Yeah, well, that's the one I'm trying to fix. I'm trying to fix that one. I'm trying to fix this, whatever this thing is. What? Yeah, see, that's not even. Oh, look at that. It does work. You just drag it over to the stupid model. Man, sometimes this easiest solution is the best, right? Well, okay. And then I can add a dark version of it. Oh, that was cool. Wow. All right. Well, there you go. Hope everybody on the 3 people streaming today learned a valuable lesson that you just gotta try it out, right? Okay. All right. Well, I think that'll make this better. Thanks, Scott. All right. Now I don't know where I'm at. All right. Let me just create a folder. I gotta organize this stuff, or I'll never be able to hold it together. BLD. Which building was that? 6. Building village 6. And we'll create a little folder for them, and we'll stick him and his. So okay, so now I got this texture that is probably gonna work for everything. Or no, I don't mean to say everything. I just mean like, I mean that texture asset was supposed to be working. with all these buildings. So I mean, does it work with the snow level? You know what I mean? Like, where's the snow one? Where's hill snow? Let's get him up. Let's zoom into this. Let's try out Mr. Snow. If I just okay. So yeah, yeah, man, like I mean, there's just so much to learn about this stuff. It's just so look at that, and now our mountain works. All right, look at that. You saved the day, and our little hut guy looks good. All right, let's fix our ghost building over here because he's not looking too good. Yeah. All right. You know, I could probably just leave. Okay, so if all these object files, okay, so this is GLB, he doesn't count, but if all these object files, I'm waiting for it to render. It's like laggy. Reference this same file. I should keep this file at like a high level, like a parent or like a somewhere where they all know to use it. Just thinking out loud. I don't want to see them, and this guy's done. And then I'm looking at the snow hut guy. Let's do snow hut guy, small BLD hut, snow 01. I'm gonna change the, man, come on. Did I break a dough? Uh-oh. Oh, come on. And let's see, let's move him up there. And let's open up him in the scene. Yeah. So I don't have them outside, right? I have all of them in a separate folder. So I'm guessing, oh man, I wonder. So if I export this as a server, you know, can I go ahead and just exclude that assets folder because the scenes hold the no, I guess the scenes, you know, who holds the collision shapes, right? So if I create, you know, that's going to be in the scene. So yeah, the scenes, if you know, if I have this hut and I have a collision shape, maybe I closed it already. One of my scenes has collisions in it already. Which one did I do? Is it this one? Yeah, so this guy, yeah, I know. Okay, yeah, so this guy has the collision scene, and I can like totally export that server build and not even include the asset folder. And that is a step in the process. I don't know, that's how I would at least start. I mean, I'm sure there's improvements to that, but I would at least start that way you're not shipping all these assets with your server build. But then your scene would still know, right, that hey, this, because you do have, your server is going to need those scenes. Yeah, and yeah, exactly, yeah. And a lot of those things are like stripped for you, I think, when you do those Godot server builds. And so, but it looks like it would maintain the collision shape here, the data. So I think you'd be okay as like a starting point. You know, maybe that's not ideal, but what was that? Did it just do something weird? I don't know if you saw that. Oh man, come back. Where was that? No, it wasn't him. It was number 6. No, okay. I guess it just bugged out on. Oh, because I hovered over it. Okay, it scared me. All right, so let's see if this guy's textures are correct. I wonder if that's, yeah. I don't think. I think that's just it. I think it's just a white. Yeah. I'm not worrying about that. The second. So cool. All right. So let's see. I was trying to fix this guy. And in theory, I should be able to just drag it over, and yeah, look at that. Perfect. All right, man. It just blows my mind how easy that solution was. All right, I don't know. I this environment is coming along really slowly. God, just imagine doing this. And this like cabin Doesn't really make sense here in the town. I kind of want to move it away. But like I want to do it like I don't know, maybe over here, but it looks weird against this texture, right? This texture is just odd to me. Yeah, you would run it headless, but yeah, I get it. Yeah, I would say that you want, I don't know. I've seen that that server build size like sneak up on people, and then it becomes like this technical debt, this mountain of technical debt. It can turn into that, right? If you're not keeping an eye on those server sizes as you go, and then you're like you go to build your server and it's like gigs, you know, it's like gigabytes of server stuff, server builds, then you're gonna have to spend time now and work backwards, trying to figure out that if you hadn't organized your project. So I would recommend trying to get a handle on that early, so so that you are, you know, running your server in a headless fashion, and you're not, you know, of course you're gonna run it in headless on your server, but you're not gonna have these like massive image files and stuff like that. I don't know. I just want to, I don't want people to put it off, you know. I like at least know, like at least have like what I'm doing here, like have an assets folder that you can kind of chop off, you know, with your server builds. And yeah, share it. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I feel like the hill could be bigger, but whatever. Cool. Okay, so we got, let me just run it. I didn't put collision on that building though. I gotta eat something, guys. I'm getting hungry. Yeah, share it, man. Cool. I've got, my next video is gonna be on these guys doing navigation. Yeah, man, we fixed it. Yeah, you missed it. Scott came in and was just like, dude, just drag your textures over to it, and it totally worked. Yeah, so that was really easy. But yeah, check it out. It's totally, this building is fixed. Oh, I left that like ridiculous jump. I don't have a collision shape on it, but yeah, this building is fixed. The mountain is fixed, and that building way over there is also fixed. I can't wait to crack into the Cinti characters. I really want to. Cool. Okay. And I don't have any. I have 2 lights in this whole environment, so it's cool. It's gonna look a little odd, and this ground is just killing me. But yeah, the character things for these demos with these low poly things, it's just so nice to use because they don't take up a ton of space. Like the projects that I'm building, once I export them, you know, to share with you guys or whatever, they're all like low poly assets, and the characters are much lower than this guy. Like this guy's intense. Like, I mean, he's a massive file, and I don't want to do that. And so are these zombie guys. They're really big too. But yeah, I gotta get into using those character assets, but I'm always so intimidated by like getting the animations set up, because as you can see here, it's a pain. It's not working half the time. Oh, come on. Oh, damn it. I'm trying to, sorry, I have to play for a minute. So these mobs right now, I did a demo, and it's coming out next week, but it's on just navigation region. So there's like a region here that these guys are kind of stuck within, and it kind of works out because I'm building the town around it. But they get stuck, right? And that's just because my AI is really stupid. Like I didn't program a smart AI. I just told them like pick a vector and walk there, and the region bounds them. But what I want to do is like update them so that in like maybe a subsequent video where they actually chase after you, because the one I just put out yesterday or Thursday, I guess, it's not using navigation region. So I wanted to use navigation region and have a pursuit and see what that would look like. I was able to jump up here like a second ago. What happened? But yeah, that'll be cool. That'll be cool. I'm trying to get, if I can, I don't know why this jump mechanic's so weird. I'm not able to get over there. What is going on? I can't even beat my own game. Is this guy got like a huge what is this? This is small village building. Why small village building? I don't know where it is. It's not this one, right? No, right? No, it is that one. What's his collision shape? It's not even above it. Yeah, so why can't I jump onto that building there? I'm trying to just go from here to here. That's like, is this a bug? Oh, wait a minute. Is this the wrong building? Is there not a actual collision shape on it? Oh, okay. So maybe it's not the right building. Oh, well, that doesn't sound right. Huh. That's so weird. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah. What do you mean rename my models? What's wrong with my model names? I'm actually organizing them based on the import, so I know like where I got it. Okay, so if I'm here, I can jump fine, and if I go, okay, it is working. Okay, I don't know why that wasn't working. That's weird. My jump mechanics need a big refactor, but whatever. Yeah, I want to be a good multiplayer developer too, man. I hear you. It's a lot. But yeah, okay. So you think the structure of my models are hard to find? You're probably right. I mean, this is my first, I'm just like kind of building out as I go. Haven't really spent too much time at it. I'm sure there's always an improvement. I just thought of an idea. No, come on. Okay, so it's negative. I wanted to put this snow up against this guy here. Kind of like offset it a little bit. Give it some character. Yeah, if you're just starting on multiplayer, just start small. Just get used to it. Just get used to the network setup and deploy something. And then just build up from there. Whatever. Okay, so there's some snow drift on the side of that building. Okay, so maybe that's a theme. Maybe the wind comes from the X from that way, from this direction, and then I'll just put all the snow bakes on the side. That's kind of a nice touch if you think about it. Let me do that. Where is it? Go up and let's do this. And cool. All right, and I'll just sink them down a little bit so it doesn't look exactly the same. So, okay, you think I should rename the models? Yeah, well, you're right. I should probably have like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. This is like one of those things where like, thanks. Yeah, it looks all right. We'll get there. When you're like, I like to, like, I put a little effort when I'm building out this stuff, and like, especially when I'm working on a first project, and then I organize them, and then the next time I revisit it with like a fresh mind, I'm like, okay, this can totally be better. This is what I'm going to do different this time. And then you refactor it, right? You're just like, it's never ending. You're just constantly, not constantly, but revisit your stuff, and then you'll make those adjustments as you go, and you'll be able to make improvements incrementally. All right, let me select this and this, and maybe just push it back. Bring this market guy up a little bit in the road. I'm gonna maybe this will be the road. I think there were some road assets, and let's duplicate him. Create another stall there. So maybe these are like the buildings, and I'll put a road like right down the middle here. Yeah, and I mean, there's so many. Yeah, and the thing is, like, when your project grows, you're gonna realize like, oh, this isn't suitable. The way that we set this up, isn't really gonna work, and we need to revisit that. So whatever. Give me 2 seconds. And let's just let me just add a couple more buildings. I might call it a day on this. I'm really I'm thinking about getting into streaming a little bit more on this. I've never streamed on YouTube, so I wanted to try it out. And I've done Twitch a couple times, long time ago. But since I have a YouTube thing going, I was thinking about just streaming some stuff here. I'm going to do a brainstorm session again on my game, which really isn't this. I mean, I can use this, but I wasn't planning on using this. But yeah, I could do that brainstorm session here instead of on Discord. So I just wanted to experiment today and see what kind of stuff I can get done on YouTube and what that looks like. And it's actually probably a better idea to do it on YouTube because nobody's actively in Discord all the time, and people, Discord or YouTube kind of shows up. So maybe I'll just plan on doing it on YouTube. Here, let's move this over here. I gotta get my zombies to be smarter. I want to get another building. All right, yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up soon, probably by 2 o'clock. Thanks for coming by today, guys. It was fun. I learned a bunch. I've got a couple buildings in place. Let's just make it a little bit. All right, and then let's get one more building. I don't want to quit just yet. Let's get another building. What can we do? Where's this one? This was number 6. What's number 7 look like? I already got him. These aren't things. This is the finishing touches, the polish, these kinds of things. Yeah, well, no, well, this is my first YouTube stream though, so yeah, I mean, you lucked out. And I was just doing this as just an experiment. I didn't think anybody would actually show up. So thanks for dropping by and teaching me some good stuff, learning me some good stuff. I'm trying to find another. I want another building, interesting building, and I'm not really finding anything. Oh, what's in the environment? Anything down there? Hills. No, I haven't been online. No, this is my first YouTube. Yeah. I mean, I haven't been doing what is it? I haven't been streaming at all. The only stream I did was that brainstorm session I did the other day on Discord. I did a Discord stage, and that was pretty neat. But yeah. I need to. I'm not really trying to promote any of this stuff I'm doing right now because I'm trying to get how to handle it, to experiment a little bit. This is just a block building. Okay, man, there isn't a whole lot. I expected there to be a little bit more. I don't know, what do I say, a couple more structures. It's really this building and then the ones I have added already. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 buildings and then these little stalls. So that's cool. It's, it wasn't expensive, or it was actually kind of free. Thanks for the tip on that, by the way, Scott. That was you, I think, that tipped me off on that discount. So that was cool. Oh man, I can add some boulders, but that to me is I want the buildings and the towns in place. Yeah, I tried that too. I was coding for a while, and I just think that, yeah, man, it's just I don't know if you can code and pull it off. Maybe you're entertaining. I don't think I can entertain and code at the same time. Like I'm gonna be annoyed trying to like I get mad at my code. Like why isn't my code working? Um, it's just the same. I already went through all this. Okay, well maybe I'll just finish up and add one of these stalls here. But yeah, if somebody can make coding entertaining, yeah, Brackeys. Yeah, like I was inspired by Brackeys. I felt that I liked what he was doing, and I thought that that was he had a good thing going there. Um, let's try to export this the traditional way. And like when he left, I was like, oh, maybe I should do some stuff. So then I was doing a bunch of networking stuff. So I was like, I'll just start there. And I started with Unity. And yeah, we all know where that went, but you know, whatever. And like here, I don't know, I picked up Godot and it just worked. I don't know, like this, it just feels very lightweight. I really like Godot so far. I don't know if this is gonna work. Let me see. Buildings. I need to create a scene. What was it called? Stall. Which one was it? Stall. Where did it go? 3. Stall number 3. I mean, Unity's, man. Yeah. I think you're right. And I think we just need more like people to just showcase it. And I'm trying to get there. I'm actually going to build this game out and it'll, you know, we'll see what happens with it. But what did I say? 3. Let me just drag this over here. All right. So it came with its texture. So it was a good import. But I need to put it up here. Stall 4. We'll do folder. Maybe I'll just have a stalls folder. You know, whatever. Stick that up there. And then let's go down and create a stall scene. Create new scene. Small stall 03. All right, got my stall going. And I'll get my... Yeah, and there's, you know, it's not really, oh, that looks so good. Man, perfect. Oh, wait, I didn't do the magic. All right, whatever. All right, so we got that one, and I think this might be the last one for now. Totally got sidetracked with the damn, texture stuff today. What am I doing? These are my models, and where's my scene? Boom. Look at that. Red guy showing up. Everybody's gonna go to him because he's fancy. Duplicate him, drag him down here. We'll put another one over there right in front of this hut. Come on, move over, and then he's gonna be here, and then we'll just where's this at? Let me just duplicate a couple of these guys to fill it out. Cool. And then what else can I add? Wait, there's 2 different types there, right? No, it's the same. I thought I have the stalls, and then what's this? That's this big guy. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. Yeah, I mean, I kind of like that too. You know, bring in what you need. You're going to keep that engine, that core engine functionality really tight. And I think as long as they can make that process and make sure that I don't know, like does Godot take over some of those plugins and extensions and manage them because they're so critical? Maybe there's some you know, I don't know, maybe I can't think of anything off the top of my head, but maybe there is some critical, you know, plugins and things like that should be part of the system, but not everybody needs. So Godot still, maybe we should manage that. I don't know. My light just went out, but I don't know. You know, I think there's an argument for both, but I kind of like the idea of keeping things separate. and then bringing in what you need. I think that it makes for a very lightweight, engine, right? I mean, that sounds good to me, and as long as they can manage it correctly. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up here, and come back to this some other day. But I'm gonna probably just use this in my demo videos and have it make it look a little bit more interesting. Yeah, man, having a store, that's gonna be awesome. People are gonna pile in, because I mean, you gotta have some commercialization with it, right? You're not gonna be able to. You gotta have those people that are, we gotta make money, right? And it's, you're gonna have all these people that are very talented selling their stuff. That means we're gonna have high quality stuff come pouring in, and I think a market is a good thing to have, and a store is a good thing to have. But yeah, absolutely. So I'm excited if that's what they're doing. Oh, I landed on the roof. Look at the what are the chances? All right, cool. Oh, I didn't put collision on the red guy. Yeah, that's cool. But yeah, this is coming together. Like, you could totally see this. The lighting's a little funky. But yeah, I could totally see this getting built out, getting a new texture. Man, I was just gonna ask you something about. No, my jump physics is terrible. No, the jump physics is bad. I don't know if you were around earlier, but I actually adjusted it. I made the jump, like, where'd he go? I made my jump like ridiculously high. I should probably put it back. And I keep telling everybody that, like, when they're watching my videos, I'm like, please don't hate my jump physics. It's the animation doesn't really line up to it. Like, I don't have when you jump, you're supposed to have like the fall where your guy falls, and then when he makes collision, then you have your land animation. I did not build that out. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Whee! Yeah, but anyways, yeah, and this guy probably runs a little too fast. Well, this seems an okay speed. I think it's an okay speed. Yeah, jump, it's probably too high. The jump's really high, but it's a video game. Anyways, I'm sure there's some good improvements for that, that I'll have to, bake in. But I don't know, I haven't really gotten there yet. But yeah, I need to wrap up and get out of here. I've got another place to be, but man, I just need to get some ground textures in here, or like you said, maybe just paint it green. And I gotta figure out skyboxes. Do you have any good skybox resources? I mean, I haven't really been focused on that because I've just been trying to do networking stuff. So it's like, I want to make it look nicer, but I mean, this is a step in the right direction. These guys are just like wandering around. But yeah, hit me up on Discord or anything if you've got some good skybox tutorials, or I'll just try to search for some, because the gray is kind of lame. Yeah, but I think for the most part this is good enough for now. Yeah, we'll get there. Oh, I forgot I added that house way over there. Yeah, all right, well, all right, this is all the further I think I'm gonna go today. I didn't really get really far because the whole texture fiasco, but whatever. It's coming along, and I'd like to get some more asset packs from Cinti and get their characters working, because I don't like using these characters that I'm using right now. They're the poly rate is way too high on it. So I want to get something a little bit more lightweight. So I'm going to have to dive in whenever I get a minute. I don't know. This is like, it's a lot to do. I need to figure out how to get character animation and stuff working from their assets. I think I do have some of their assets as part of that adventure pack. Yeah, I have like whatever these are. I'll have to play around and see if I can get their animation. I mean, do you guys know if their Cinti's animations work with like all their characters? Like, can you, or do you have to like use their use the specific ones? What was that one the other day? I gotta get out of here. I just want to find it. This one. Yeah, here. Yeah, this was cool. Modular heroes. All right. All right. Cool. I'm gonna write it down, or I'll just watch the stream. Is that like a pack? Are you talking about is that another pack you're talking about, Scott? Yeah. All right. Yeah. I mean, this is on sale. This is 10% off right now. And I don't know what's in it. I haven't really gone through it, but man, it would be so cool to have the Cinti and character animations working. 247 animations. Okay. That's quite a bit. All right, cool. Yeah, good tip. Yeah. So I'm going to get that working because I don't like this dude running around. I mean, he looks good, but he doesn't match the low poly. You know, he's like high quality, and so are the zombies. I mean, you can't really tell with the zombies though. Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Well, I'm out of here, guys. I gotta go. It's past my 2 o'clock limit. I was just trying to do this for fun. You know, if you guys want to see more of this, I know there's a couple of you in here. Let me know. I don't know. It's just fun to kind of play around with and see what happens. But thanks for stopping by and appreciate it, everybody. And Scott, thanks so much for the tip. I'll just do some more of this, and then you'll come in here and teach me some more stuff, and you know, we can all learn together. Yeah. All right. Cool. Yeah. I'll look into that. But hey, man, I saw you chatting the other day or coming in. Yeah. 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 All right. I'm heading out. Guys, if you need anything else, hit me up on Discord. I'm gonna maybe try to do this some more. I do have another stream planned on Wednesday at 6. And I think that's Eastern time, and I think I'm gonna do it on YouTube again. I think this worked out a little bit better than my Discord thing, so I think I'm gonna just do that. But if you guys have any questions or if you want to see anything, let me know. I'm gonna head out. Thanks, guys.